And I would love to hear it.
How did you do that?
Let's hear it.
A little bird called my husband. Alright, this is embarrassing. When I was doing Ed Wood, I had been cast, and Tim does a lot of hair and makeup tests because, as you know, his movies are very visual and he wants to get the look exactly right. And so when I went for my first hair and makeup test, I came in, the producer was there, Denise Denovi, and she was like, "Oh my God, Tim loved your audition so much, you made me watch it 10 times. And I was like, "Oh, well, that's good." And I went in, and I went into hair and makeup, and at that time, they ended up doing a wig, but they wanted to see if they could get my hair really short and curly. And so I had not a stitch of makeup on. I have very dark circles under my eyes. I was very tired. I literally, they put my hair back like I looked bald. It was, and they used these pin curls all around my head. They used these weird pins that each pin had these, they almost look like little pins sticking up with multicolored balls on the top of them. And they were all like fuchsia, bright green, bright purple, bright blue. So I look bald with like these balls sticking up from my head, right? Pale, no makeup. I go back to my trailer, and the only thing they have in there, and the wardrobe hasn't come yet, is this robe that was huge. So it was like a man-sized robe. So I look like dwarfed. It's like this big, and it is fuchsia. I mean, just the brightest color. I don't know what man would wear that robe. It was like this fuchsia. So I'm standing there. I don't think that in my life I have ever looked so horrendous. And I opened my trailer door because I realized I'd left something in the makeup trailer. And standing right next to my trailer door is Johnny. And he's like, God, his hair looks really cool. It's like hanging over, and he's smoking a cigarette with a friend, and he looks up and he's like, "Hey, you must be Juliet." And I'm thinking, can I say no? And I'm literally like looking across the room, and I'm like, okay, like 5 miles away are my sunglasses. Even if I stick sunglasses on, I still look bald. Balls, multicolored balls all over my head. So we have this whole conversation where I literally turn beet red, and I'm like, yeah, hi Juliet, it's nice to meet you, Johnny. And I close the door, and I'm talking to myself. I'm like, you know, he went out with Winona Ryder. He understands fair skin and dark circles under the eyes. He's worked with Tim Burton. He's had fair skin and dark circles under the eyes. And I'm just like, oh my God. And then it was really funny because I get all dolled up. They do the whole thing. They do the hair, the makeup. I'm in the 50s, you know, dress, and I come out, and he and his friend are now near the area where we're doing this sort of screen test where they're going to shoot the stuff to look at how it looks on a film. And he's smoking again, and he looks up and he goes, "Juliet?" I was like, yeah, makeup does a lot. So anyway, that's my Johnny story, but I don't usually